In today's video, I will show you exactly how to make money $500 each day by watching YouTube videos. A new strategy to earn free of cost PayPal money by simply watching easy and short videos till this year. Exactly how does it work? We will find it out. If you follow through with this video clip till the end, I will show you just how to set it up for absolutely cost free. In that way, you will gain a lot more money without doing any hard work. Before we start, if you end up getting value out of this video, consider subscribing with notification. It's cost free and you can always switch your mind later on. In that way, I will certainly inform you whenever I have a new and fresh approach to generate online income, so you can be one of the first to use it. Hence, of course, make the most money. So, it's a new website that will certainly pay you to watch YouTube videos. Signing up for it is free. They even have an app, so you can do this even with your smartphone device. And all you have to do is click view, watch the video and also collect your earnings. You can withdraw your cash through PayPal, bank transfer and some other payment choices are also available. Now the main reason I want to share this with you today is since we are all spending too much time binge watching YouTube videos. I don't know about you, but personally I spend hours a day entertaining myself with YouTube. Certainly, I usually really feel bad because I sense as if I was misusing my time. That's why I went out there. I spent plenty of hours researching the webpage and found some of the best platforms that we never spoke about before. They will certainly pay you for simply watching those YouTube videos. So, currently, you will certainly not have to feel bad for spending hours a day watching funny YouTube videos, since you will earn money for doing that. But before we begin this tutorial, ensure to drop a like to this video clip if you like making money online. And also, let's see if we can get 100 likes in this one. Scroll down below and tap the like button until it becomes blue. Alright, so today we will be making use of 3 different free platforms to make money just by watching YouTube videos. Stay around till the end and I will inform you which one I prefer and which one pays the most amount of money. We never discussed any one of these platforms, as well as you are just going to like them. It is the first one. The website is called Zariklammy.com. You can either come by to Google Play Store and search for this app and install it on your mobile phone device. Or if you are using a desktop computer like me, go straight to the website. Yes, you heard it right. It is available both on mobile phone and also computer system. With this website, we can earn money for doing a lot of various kind of stuff, which you usually do every day. I am going to reveal that in a minute. However, as you can see, you can earn money online either with your phone, computer system or tablet and get paid wherever you are without any financial investment. It's all free of cost and they additionally have their app which you can install on your mobile phone device and make money even with simply your phone. They will certainly be explaining to you a little more about how their website works and stuff on this web page. However, all you require to do is, as soon as you come over to the website or once you install the app, click the registration button below. And that will certainly take you over to the web page where you can create a free new account by either signing up with Google, Microsoft or manually entering your email address and creating a password. And the important thing is that this website is available worldwide. So they will pay you despite where you are in the world. You will certainly require to check if it does operate in your country or not. Once you create a cost-free account on this website, this is how it's most likely to look like. It is the dashboard where you can track your incomes and your balance. You can see just how much cash you made today, how much money you made yesterday, just how much money you made in the past 7 days and also in the past month. And after that, indicate the total on just how much money you made with this website. On the other hand, you will certainly be able to click the earn section over right here. Click on that particular. It will take you over to the page where you can select just how you intend to get paid. You can make money to browse websites, watch videos, and also watch ads. And that's an excellent way to generate online income because it doesn't need a lot of work from your side. It simply requires one click of a button. You click to watch a video clip or click view ads, and that's it. You don't have to spend hours doing some work such as completing surveys or offers, etc. You click as well as you can do something else while your earnings are climbing on this website. And you can also get paid to leave involvement on social media. You can also make money by following people on Instagram. You can earn money to like their post, like YouTube videos, watch YouTube videos, leave a comment on it, and more. As you can see, they even have a unique section where you can write comments and also reviews, and additionally make money for that. You can also fill out surveys as well as far more. Now, I don't recommend you complete surveys and writing reviews since that takes a lot of time and effort. It will certainly pay you a lot even more cash. However, on the other hand, it needs a great deal of time and effort. So, I would rather focus on browsing websites, video clips, ads, and also leaving involvement on social media sites. So you can click the earn button right here below and leave engagement on the social media section. That will take you over to the page where you can select exactly how you want to earn money and what you want to do and get paid. Let me show you just how you will make money to watch YouTube videos. As you can see, the very initial section that appears is YouTube. So you can click YouTube views over here. That will take you over to the web page where you can watch different video clips. And also, those videos are not boring. You can make money to watch some entertaining as well as helpful videos where you will certainly find out something and at the same time get paid for watching it. For example, you can watch this video clip and you can click on the earn button as well as that will take you over to the second web page. Let it simply load and after that it will start playing some random YouTube video which you will need to watch. Naturally, you don't need to spend time watching this video and you can just let it play and you can maybe focus and do something else or open these videos in different tabs to optimize your results. And also, you will certainly still get paid. That's why I like it. It's kind of like passive income. You are not actively doing anything and you just click the play button and also you can do something else. After that, you will have the ability to come back as well as accumulate your incomes. So, you can experience every one of those videos, watch them till the end and earn money again and again. Each time you check out the video, your earning on the dashboard will upgrade and also you will certainly have the ability to see it. It's not paying a great deal, yet it will quickly add up. And also, I indicate it's super easy. The even more you click those videos, the more you watch them, the more money you will have the ability to make. Of course, depending upon the country you are coming from, you will certainly earn money either less or a lot more per video you watch. If you are originating from a top-rate country, you will certainly earn money a lot more for watching those videos. And if you are coming from a country where the economy is not that fantastic, after that you will get paid a little less. But don't worry, because it will rapidly add up and you will undoubtedly be able to withdraw your money. Now, to sum up, to optimize your outcomes with this website, you can do all kinds of things. They will certainly pay you often even more money under the leave involvement on the social media section. You can make money by watching YouTube video clips. You might additionally leave subscriptions on YouTube channels, like YouTube videos, leave Instagram followers, like as well as watch Instagram videos. You have all of these social media platforms on which you can leave engagement and make money for doing that. It's all free and also it's easy as well as simple. It's genuinely a fantastic website and app from which you can make a decent amount of money. And it's a relatively new app that not a lot of people know about. So I very much suggest you jump on it before it becomes oversaturated. Once again, that is Zariklammy.com or just Zariklammy for the app name. You can sign up for definitely cost free and make money to watch YouTube videos and do all those kinds of things on social media. The second website which I wanted to show you today is called Timebugs.com. It's a great website since it will pay you for some extraordinary things. Like it's going to pay you for posting stuffs on TikTok, watching funny slideshows, playing games, installing apps as well as whatnot. But they also do have a choice for you to make money just for watching videos. I like it because they have everyday bonus offers. Each time you log into your account, they will certainly provide you some free bonus offers. Yes, you can start gaining quickly, which implies you don't need to wait around for weeks to get approved into something. You can sign up today and still be able to make money that you can then spend on whatever you want to. So just come to Timebugs.com. You can either register with Facebook, which is a lot easier and quicker because it requires just one click of a button. Or you can do so by entering your email address manually as well as by creating a password. When you create an account, log in, and this is what you will certainly see. This is a brand new account. You can see people worldwide are generating income like every few minutes people are being paid with this website. You have people from India and Philippines who are making money every day, and also people from all over the world are using this website because it's all free. And also it's very easy. You can go to earn section below. You can finish different surveys and various jobs, but you can also earn money for watching videos under the offer walls and task sections. Once more, this is over Timebugs.com. Sign up for free of cost as well as get paid without investing any money. The third and last website that I wish to show you today is called QuickRewards.net. This is also most likely to pay you for various stuff. It's not as unique as the previous two websites. However, it's still really excellent and also it pays suitable enough. So you can complete various surveys which are additionally something that I don't suggest. It requires a lot of effort and time, and also it's just not worth it. You can play games since that's just easy. I indicate it's something that we probably do every day. I don't know if you play video games every single day, but I do. I often like to unwind, so I play some video games on my phone, as well as currently I can earn money for doing that. It's not going to be a great deal of cash, but still several dollars here and there for having fun on my phone is always welcome any time of the day. You can also watch videos, of course, it's something that we came for and we'll discuss it in a minute. After that, you can likewise complete different offers and also you can get cash back if you go shopping online, which is also fantastic. Now, there have been online for some time, and in fact, there have been online for nearly 2 decades. As well as the reason that I love this website and I extremely recommend it is since the minimum of retrieve or withdraw just 1 cent. Yes, you heard it right, simply 1 cent. You don't have to wait until you have a couple of hundreds of dollars or whatsoever. Yet, as soon as you start making money, you can immediately cash out, immediately withdraw your cash. You can withdraw your money via PayPal, Amazon gift cards, or free in-store gift cards to close to 50 national stores. Naturally, I think that the majority of you guys will undoubtedly choose PayPal because you can then spend that money on whatever you wish to. But in case PayPal is not available in your country, don't worry because as you can see, you can get some gift cards that you can spend on some of these stores. Currently, to get going with quickrewards.net, you need to come over to their official website and then click on create an account and you sign up for absolutely cost free. After that, you can most likely watch the video sections and then start watching those videos and repeatedly accumulate your income. Now watch a recap. The 3 websites where you can earn money are Zariklammy.com, Timebugs.com and also quickrewards.net. Thanks a lot for watching and making sure to drop a like and subscribe with notification on so you don't miss any new content. As always, I will certainly see you in some of the following videos.